Hey guys, my name is Bedrock Studios, and today I'm going to be making a review of my Transformers Revenge of the Fallen Lego Ratchet. As you can see in his vehicle mode, he is a Hummer H2, I think. He's got a nice lime green. It isn't appearing well on camera, but yeah. You can see the details. You got lights underneath this bar, a license plate, roof lights, see-through side windows. He is kind of got a bunch of holes in places, but it isn't that bad. He's got the roof rack and the tire. It's the back and the bottom. It looks pretty clean other than the fact that you can see his head. Now for size comparisons. No, I'm not going to do much for size comparisons, but here he is next to Jazz. I've got the grill situated wrong right now. And a minifigure. Now to get on, he doesn't have any accessories, so basically all I gotta do is the transformation. First, you're going to want to take this entire section and flip it around. Then you'll have this. So next, you're going to want to ratchet this lower legs down, fold out the foot. Then pull out the legs on the ball joint. And then you have the legs. Next torso, you're going to fold out the arms, fold down the hand, and just position them like that, and then fold these panels back. Same on the other side. Next thing you want to do is you're going to want to spread the legs out, fold this up, and rotate this around. Then you can position the legs in front of it. Should look like this. Then you're going to want take these side doors, window panel things, and rotate them up. Like that. And then this back panel, you just want to fold up against his back. And fold up the head. And angle his ear panel thing. Fold out this front bar. And rotate it around. And there you got Ratchet in his robot mode. Now he is pretty well detailed. He's got the wheels up on his shoulders, wheels in his legs. For articulation, his head can look up and down. Rotate all the way around. Shoulders can move forward and back, in and out. Also, it can move here, but it is pretty loose. Bend at the elbow. Twist here. No waist articulation. Legs are on ball joints, so they get a lot of motion. So are the knees. And ankles have a pivot. Size comparisons. Here's a minifigure. He is pretty tall. Jazz. And finally, Bumblebee. So that has been my review of my Transformers 2007 / Revenge of the Fallen Ratchet. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, smash that dislike button. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.